Just gotta go forward.
Back
Yeah,
down.
oh.
Back down.
Okay.
There you turn this way. Right there. No, keep back
Oh,
down.
Don't
yes.
go.
No, don't go out.
Oh, look at that turning radius.
Whoa! Yeah.
That works beautiful.
You can probably test that.
Yeah, that's correct. No testing in the water.
Right.
Watch lifting it.
Test.
There you go. You got it, boy. Good job, man. Stick it in this far corner here.
Are we allowed to go in a battle right here?
No. Well, go in the box. You can
There you
finish
go.
in the box.
Now
But
just back it up.
Alrighty.
Now,
Still,
you
you
might
might
need to come over here. All right, go for it.
My name is Regan May. I'm majoring in electrical engineering and mechanical engineering, and I was on the red team. The role was a procurement manager, but did a lot of different positions and tasks during the competition.
Yeah, what was your favorite experience with this year's CAS program?
It's hard to pick just one, but honestly, the whole experience with the team. You're thrown together with a bunch of strangers, and immediately you just have to go to working. And just seeing everybody adapt together was really fun.
And what did you learn?
A whole lot about,
one thing.
oh my gosh, one thing, a lot about NASA and the way that it works.
And would you recommend this program to future eligible students at South Plains College?
Oh, hands down, without a doubt. If you don't do it, you're missing out on experience.
And you were selected as the top engineer for this week's CAS program. How did that make you feel?
It's unbelievable. One out of 60 students there. I mean, it's an honor, it's a privilege, and it's overwhelming, honestly, to be considered the engineer of the week. So it's amazing.
Benny Friesen, and my major changed on this trip to mechanical or electrical engineering, and I was on the red team.
And what was your role on your team?
I did a little bit of everything, but my main focus was on the budgets, making sure that we had enough to pay for the design. Favorite experience would probably be meeting new people, getting out there and seeing how they work, and just building a team from people that you don't really know. Well, I learned a whole lot about NASA, how it operates, learned a lot about their programs to get into NASA, and also just learning how to work with different personalities, stuff like that.
And would you recommend this program to future eligible students at South Plains College?
Most definitely. It was a great experience.
Are you going to put in the chamber? That's good.
Yeah, but now we gotta make sure our rover gets in the exit though too. Just go up, try to get the finish line. Look at
these problems and we fix the robot.
Oh, but they have the water. Yeah, right. Good deal.
Water's got to be outside. We can't get over there. Come on.
Let me pick you up. Never said die. Never said die. Turn a little bit. Yeah, right. Drag it out. Come on. Go. Go, baby. Do it. You can do it. You can do it.
2 minutes.
No, reverse it. Reverse it. You can do it. Reverse it a little bit. There you go. He's off the Martian surface, man. Bring it out. Bring it out. Pick it up. Pick it up a little bit. Hey, can you really lift the arm up? Smash it. Oh, come on. There goes our arm. The water's over. Just stay over. Water's over. Yeah!
Hi, my name's Colby. I was on the white team, obviously, with my shirt, and I'm chemical engineering. I was actually the project manager, or the procurement manager, actually, and we just managed the budget. We did mostly the budget and most of the design, the line drawings. We didn't work hands-on with the rover. We worked more of the slideshows, the PowerPoint.
And what was your favorite experience of this year's CAS program?
The roller coaster. Actually, no, it was probably the road course. Actually, that was really fun. I got to drive it, and even though everything on it was probably a failure, we had mild success where we just basically pushed ours across the line. It was pretty cool, though.
And would you recommend this program to future eligible students at South Plains College?
Yes, I would. It gives you a lot of experience and a lot of connections. The affiliation with NASA is priceless on a resume, so I think that would be about the greatest experience you could have as far as a trip goes.
My name is Braden Loya. My team name was, I can remember, White.
You were on the white team.
Just a white team? Okay, I thought you were meaning like the company name. We had a company name. It's pretty neat. And what was my major? My major is physics and pre-med. Role on my team, well, we really did a lot of different roles. We had a lot of different, we each really did everything as a team, so we didn't have a whole lot of roles, but I guess if I could pick a role, I'd be the presenter, because I did do the presenting. I really enjoyed building the rover. I liked coming in and you see nothing but a bunch of parts and a bunch of little motors and different things, and within an hour you have this. You start seeing this rover and this thing that's able to move and able to actually do things. The most worthwhile experience, I would say, would be the actual presenting and getting practice presenting public speaking. I would say that was the most worthwhile experience. I would definitely recommend it to anyone. If you're selected, you're definitely a good student, and you should not pass it up. It'll help you a lot.
Colby Newton, computer science major, and I was on the Y team. I was a system manager, and I assisted mostly the project manager on everything that he was running back and forth from, and then helped design some of the actual rover.
And what was your favorite experience of this year's CAS program?
Probably just working in a team on not a real goal, but something that simulates a real goal, like putting together a rover, designing of it, and putting together the budget, and seeing how hard it is to work together, especially with people that we had never met before, and it was just a pretty interesting experience.
And what was one learning experience that you take from this week's CAS program?
Once again, probably just the importance of teamwork. I mean, I didn't realize how big that is, and if the leader's not doing his job, keeping leadership, people are running around doing their own things, like just nothing gets done, and it's just incredibly important that you work together.
And would you recommend this to future eligible students at South Plains College?
Very much so. It was very, very fun, and it was also a very valuable experience.
My name is Braden Pate. My major is chemical engineering, and I was on the white team. Really, I just did a little bit of everything. We had a lot of people taking care of the big jobs, and I just tried to help out whoever needed help. I guess my favorite experience was seeing the historic mission control. I learned that even though if you have a group full of talented people, if you can't get them to work together, or even just overcoming that is a big challenge. I would definitely recommend this program to future students at South Plains College.